Watching movies is one of our favorite things to do in our free time. But when there are a lot of different options, the choosing part becomes really difficult. But hey, we've got this one covered in this video. We've handpicked some of the best movies on Netflix, and all you have to do is sit back and relax while we give you your next watch list. And if you like the list, make sure you smash the like button so that more people can have their pick of the list. Starting in number 10, The Social Network. We all know the founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, right? Well, this movie is the biographical film of him. This film chronicles the rise of Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg from being a college dropout to being the internet superstar. And many people want to become successful like Mark Zuckerberg. So if you are one of them, then this film will definitely help you by teaching you the experiences of Mark Zuckerberg from his own life. And this movie also has an IMDb rating of 7.7, so without a doubt, it's a good one. Now coming to number 9, The Beasts of No Nation. Now before I tell you a little about the story, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to become a part of a war and fight like a soldier for your side? Well, if you have, then this movie will definitely give you an insight of what it feels like to be a soldier in a war. Now in the movie, a civil war tears a family apart, and a young West African boy is forced to join a unit of mercenary fighters and transforms the child into a child soldier. It's as bleak a vision of modern warfare as has ever been put on the screen. Now coming to number 8, The Mitchells vs. the Machines. Now if you have ever dreamt of saving the world from a robot apocalypse, then you'll find yourself in the driving seat of this movie. In the movie, a robot apocalypse puts the brake on their cross-country road trip, and now it's up to the Mitchells, the world's weirdest family, to save the human race. It offers a comical take on scary tech apocalypse while keeping a family at the heart of the storytelling. So, if you want to save the world with the Mitchells, then go ahead and add this to your binge list. Now coming to number 7, The Trial of Chicago 7. The Trial of Chicago 7 is a courtroom drama about the 7 people who were accused of inciting riots back in 1968 in Chicago. This movie has an IMDb rating of 7.8. It is an incredibly entertaining movie, and if you have ever been into a courtroom and if you are a lover of legal dramas, then this should be on your watch list. Now coming to number 6, Marriage Story. This movie is about a stage director and his actor wife who were struggling through a grueling coast-to-coast divorce that pushes them to their personal and creative extremes. Throughout this story, you will see a couple falls in love, creates a home, and lives their lives together. And if you are a couple or going to be one, or even married, then this movie is for you, since this movie can't be more realistic and will help you in your relationship. Now coming to number 5, There Will Be Blood. Now this is an old-fashioned film but forever relatable. The central theme of the movie is timeless, and the story terminating in madness is the best film of 21st century. This is the story of Daniel, who is a ruthless oil prosecutor who wants to become the most powerful oil tycoon. So you will find partial motivation in this movie as well. So if you want to see a movie which is filled with the struggle of power, then this is a must-watch for you. Now coming to number 4, Inglourious Basterds. Do you love movies that tell a story intensively and interestingly at the same time? Well, here is one for you. To tell you a little bit about the story, a Jewish theater owner in Nazi-occupied Paris is forced to host a Nazi premiere, where a group of American soldiers called the Bastards plans a face-off. It is the best Tarantino film because it plays to all his strengths and incorporates everything he loves in his story. Now before we reveal the top 3 spots, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of similar interesting content. Now coming to number 3, The Departed. We know that the Oscars are given to the best movies, right? Well, this Oscar-winning movie is a must-watch for you. Now before I tell you about the story, just hear me out. We often hear about movies about a cop who goes undercover into a crime mob and monitors them, right? And we also hear about movies about a criminal who infiltrates into the police as a cop. Well, this movie is a perfect integration of both these stories. Now, do you want to know how the encounter of both these intriguing characters turns out? Then go ahead and add this to your watch list. Now coming to number 2, Seven. Do you love classics? What about crime genre? Well, this movie is about a serial killer who starts murdering people not according to his evil needs, but according to the 7 deadly sins. and two detectives, one new in the city and other about to retire, are on the run to catch him. Well, this sounds pretty interesting, isn't it? And if you want to know the heights of filmography, then you should definitely watch this best serial killer movie of all times. And finally, here comes the number one movie which has everything to be in your watch list. Now coming to number 1, Schindler's List. Ever heard of Holocaust? One of the greatest horrors committed by humanity? This movie is based on a true story set during the Holocaust. This is a movie that resonates deeply with its audience. This is a must-watch for everyone. Now this movie is directed by Steven Spielberg, one of the legendary directors in the world. So if you're an aspiring filmmaker or a movie buff, you shouldn't miss this at all. With that being said, we'll take your leave and we'll see you again at WonderX with an amazing top 10.